people seem to get ahead no matter what. They aren't necessarily smarter, creative, or more hardworking than others. Still, they achieve more than their peers. Why is that so? Is there an algorithm or simply cumulative steps of conscientiousness and daily habits? The famous quotes of Aristotle always ring in my mind when I speak on this topic. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is not an act but a habit. A very warm afternoon and welcome to Nirmiti Academy's channel of interactive, informative and interesting videos. My name is Dipti Deepak. I'm founder, director and personal excellence coach at Nirmiti Academy, and today I'm here to give you 5 ways of making your day extraordinary. First, examine your long-term goals. If you've never thought of a destination, you'll probably never arrive at it. So it's crucial to spend a few minutes every day to see yourself 5 or 10 years from now. With difficult times like COVID-19, your goals will certainly change. However, it's easier to act strategically and achieve more if you have thought of how you want your dreams to lead. Second, write a journal daily. Life is a journey. Keeping a journal will help you to navigate through it. You do not have to be a polished writer or spend a lot of time in this activity. A small effort can pay huge dividends. Examine those activities or tasks that will lead you to your long-term goals. Third, engage in mentorship. Engaging a mentor to refine your skills is certainly the need of the hour. Not every interaction can be monetized. An expert's timely advice can do a world of good to your career. Asking for help is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of respect to oneself and one's career. Just ask politely and respectfully and make sure to express your gratitude. A simple thank you in every interaction will add equity to your relationships. Fourth, build your confidence. Failures have always been bad news, but they are the best teachers. Even a change curve can take a steep rise after a downfall. How does one overcome the fear of failure? By getting mentored by people or experts who have simply gone through the same crisis, or learning from your past mistakes that you have noted down in your journal can really boost your confidence to face your fears. Fifth, share something great. Have you ever wondered how some people get all the positive attention from others? They're really the honeycombs of life. Extraordinary people always have something up their sleeves, and truly something interesting to talk on. A joke, a feedback, an appreciation, a remark, a past experience, a story, or simply a life's lesson. So friends, I hope you stumbled upon something extraordinary today. To let your mind wander and feed your heart happily with inspiring thoughts, do follow our YouTube channel today. For more such interesting articles and read-ons, do check our website www.nirmitiacademy.com. Till then, take care of yourself and stay extraordinary.